Hello, everybody. Welcome to yet again another episode of Forever Slow Stroking the podcast. It's me, your man, your boy Eyon, coming to you again. I know you're probably like, where is this man at? Yes, I had to travel out of town, so I am, currently in Maryland. I wanted to, visit and handle some business and visit my family, friends, and all that, and handle some business. But yeah, here I am. Everybody, please, first and foremost, if you like Forever Slow Stroking the podcast, if you are interested in Forever Slow Stroking the Investing Group, hit me up. You know what I'm saying? Also, leave a comment. Of course, most definitely like and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. Not many subscribers, but I ran into some people in Maryland, while I was at the gym, and they were like, yo, I listen. I like what you're doing, blah, blah, blah. I was like, that's crazy. Like, I'm not even in Maryland. You know what I'm saying? I don't even live in Maryland. So it's good to see, randoms come up to me and just, appreciate the fact that I get on here and I share good content. And I really appreciate that, everybody. Thank you for rocking with me if you've been rocking with me. And if you're new, thank you. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Eyon Bryant. And all I do is invest, trade, and try my best to live a good life. While being financially disciplined. And I come on here and I talk about different ways to discipline yourself financially. I tell you about, new ways to be creative in the stock market as well as in your own finances. So that's about it. And you know me, I'm forever slow stroking, you know what I'm saying? And I'm just here for you. All right, so episode 19, here we are. And this episode is titled Elections Trading. So this is very, 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 very important because a lot of people are going into elections and they just like, son, I don't know what to do, like blah, blah, blah. And I kind of felt the same way. I was a little eager to do it, but, because I've never traded through an election before. I've seen my portfolio go through election, but I've never really traded through elections before. So this would be my first time really trading elections. And I have some points for y'all and some guidance. And here we go. All right, so point number one, and this is going to be quick. Point number one, focus less on options. That's the biggest thing. If you are trying to figure out what you want to do, you trading elections, my biggest thing. And first, hold on, skirt. Let me say this. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say here is only for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please do not take what I'm saying seriously. Do not base your trades based off of what I'm saying. If you do need help and you do not know how to mitigate your risk, please seek a financial advisor or fiduciary. If you do not have one and you don't know where to find one, hit me up. I'm more than willing to help you find one. Now, back to what I was saying. Focus less on options. Please do not try to get crazy in options trader. Yeah, I know people that made money off of puts on Friday. I know people who made money off of calls on Friday. I'm talking Friday the 30th. Son, it's not worth it. It's not worth it. I mean, yes, some people are still making money, getting lucky or, beating the odds or however you want to look at it. But the way I see it is it's larger risk. Historically, the market goes down whenever we have an election. But in this case, it's so many different catalysts. It's so many things that can happen. So please, focus less on options trading. Point number two, focus less on trading. And you like, all right, son, why would I focus less on trading? What would be the purpose of that? And here it is. Focus less on trading, but focus more on investing. It's very important to set yourself up for good investments. Now is the time, since the whole market is down overall, now is the time to find these good positions that you might want to get into, to hold long term. And I'll give you some good things, when I do the hidden gems portion of this. But yes, please focus less on trading, focus more on investing. And, not just invest in the stock market. Point number three would be focus on other investments. You don't just have to look at your stocks. Focus on, what you have going on in your life, whether it's your education, whether it's your household. Get those things in order. Get your vehicles in order. Get your vehicles serviced and all that because, after this election, we're going to pick up running again. So please focus on other investments. Don't just sit there and be like, dang, son, well, I need to just look at, you know what I'm saying, the stock market. Stocks aren't life. Stock market is not my life. It is not my life. My life does not evolve around stock market. I simply incorporate the stock market into my plan for having different investments to grow wealth. The stock market is not my life. I do live a financial lifestyle, which includes the stock market, but it is not my life. I don't wake up like stock market, stock market. I wake up and I thank God. I don't wake up and pray to the stock market. You feel me? So yes, do not make the stock market your entire life. All right. Point number 4. Focus on self-edification. This is the time where you learn. If you don't want to participate in any type of trading during an election, which I don't feel like people should, just spend this time to learn. Sit this week out. Sit the next 2 weeks out. Learn. Look at the stocks that you really like and see how they trade during a major event such as an election. Just spend time looking. Or if it's a 2 days, 1 day, you want to spend Monday and Tuesday looking, or Monday looking, you know what I'm saying, while you wait for the election on Tuesday, that's fine. Or if you want to wait until after the election on Wednesday to see how the market looks, that's fine. Utilize this time to do that. All right. And finally, I think this is number 5. Yeah. Focus more on your own interests. If you are forcing yourself into the stock market because you know you want to, grow your wealth, you want to, utilize the stock market as like a part-time gig, and you just really it's just not too into it, spend this time to focus on what you like to do. Give yourself some time off, you know what I'm saying? It's like you go to work. Sometimes people don't like the things that they do for a living. Thank God that I enjoy my career and everything like that, but some people don't. And in that case, it's like, all right, son, well, when they get off work, they go do the things that they enjoy. They do the things they really want to do. So utilize this time to do some things that you really want to do. If you like, I don't know, what I used to do, I used to BMX. If you like BMX, go ride your bike. You know what I'm saying? If you like skating, go roller skating. You know what I'm saying? Go to adult night. You know what I'm saying? You know me. So yeah, go to adult night, something like that. If you like to travel, go to Miami. Go to France. Go to Greece. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Do something that you enjoy. Do something to satisfy yourself. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Those are my 5 points for elections trading. Point number 1. Focus less on options. Point number 2, focus less on trading. Point number 3, focus on other investments. Point number 4, focus on self-edification. And point number 5, focus more on your own interests. That's that. All right. So now let's get into my progress for the week of the 30th, 10/30/2020. Let's go through it. You'll probably notice I didn't do much. So 3% profit off of Microvision, 17% profit from Crocs, 15% profit from SQQQ, 25% loss from UPS. Wow. $18 loss from it was a $16 loss. My apologies. $16 loss from Twitter, and 50% profit from Neo. There you have it. Those are my trading. I didn't really do much. I wasn't trying to do much. I just coincidentally got caught up in some stuff. So yeah, that's that. All right, hidden gem. So my hidden gem, like I promised you, would be some companies that I would recommend, copping shares in. Number 1, I was watching PLTR, Palantir. I believe that's how you pronounce it. I've been seeing that pop off, going to hitting $11. I think the last time I checked, it was at 10.38. So if you're looking for a tech company and you don't want to do long term, or if you do want to do long term, I would recommend that. It's new. It IPO'd this year, a few months ago, or last month, something like that. And you could easily get into that joint and ride it up to 15, pause, and then, dump the stock whenever you're ready. Or you could just take it to 11 if you have the capital to buy, so many shares. You could ride the stock to 11 or 11.38 and sell off there. You know what I'm saying? If you buy 1,000 shares and it goes up $100, well, there you go. That's big bank. But yeah, so that company is cool. Another thing that I would say is look into some dividends. In my group, we are looking into dividends, and we have a lot going on with our investments. So definitely that. What else I got? I would say look into Chewy. That's one of my favorite companies to trade. So Chewy is that. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's episode 19 of Forever Slow Stroking the podcast. Thank you for tuning in. If you need me, please, I would really appreciate it if y'all would leave comments, or if y'all would hit me up on social media, which is Instagram at It's Eyon, or you can hit me up on the Forever Slow Stroking Instagram at Forever Slow Stroking. Or you can leave a comment in YouTube or whatever you're listening on. You know what I'm saying? If it's a podcast streaming service such as Apple, Google, whatever, just hit me up, son. You know me. I'm here for you. All I want to do is help and let me know what I could do to be better, or let me know what I'm doing right so that I can continue to do those things. But that's it. You know me. I gotta go. I got moves to make. You know what I'm saying? I'm out of town. I'm shagging and dragging. You know me. All right, son. Holla at you.